first I'm going to show you how to set the time on it. So you want to go right here, hold it, and then use this knob up here, so it's really easy. And it's about 10 a.m. Sorry, that's p.m. Okay, and then you hit this button here. You can set the minutes, and then you just hit it again. And you're all set on setting the time for the day. It also has radio over here, so you can set the radio station to whatever you want it on. So we're gonna go all the way back here. It has a little the radio. It does come in good when you have the antenna in a good place. I just don't have a thing to hang it on right now. And if you want to see the colors, they're awesome, and you can make them higher or lower, like less vibrant or more vibrant, by pressing the buttons over here. And you can lighten it if you want it, you know, a little darker. It has all different levels so that it's not so bright, but so you can use it as a night light but not super bright. If you have a child, I feel like this is really cool for them. I have a little boy, so it's really cool. We have it on a lighter setting, but it's nice for a little night light. But that's, and it just, you can do it on like a circulating colors, or you can pick a certain color that you want it on. It's really cool. Also, you can set 2 alarms, so that's really cool. You can have 1, 2, the snooze button's up top, and then in the back it's pretty cool. Right here you can do an alarm for Monday, for each one, for 1 and 2. You can do a Monday through Sunday, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Also has a USB charging to charge your phone, so I thought that was pretty cool. And then it was really nice the way it was packaged. It came with this package, then the wire was packaged, and then the outlet was all packaged like separately but within the same container. But it was very nicely packaged when I received it. In the one that you plug into the outlet, you can also use it like as an iPhone charger, so if you were to ever lose it, you can just use like an iPhone charger for it, so that's pretty cool. And like I said, you can charge your iPhone in the back, so that's pretty cool too. But yeah, I'm very impressed by this. It was definitely exceeded my expectations, and it's just a really nice alarm clock. It has different sounds, so we're definitely happy with it. Oh, here's some of the sounds too. And you can lower or higher. Several of those, and like I said, you can use the radio too if you want for your alarm. So it's definitely really nice. And this is the brightest. So yeah, very impressed by this alarm clock, and my mom already said she wants one, so I'll be buying her one too because she loves it.